Hello everyone. Today is our topic clause. It is a very important topic. So without any delay, let's get started. What is clause? A clause is a group of words that contain a subject, a verb and a function as your one part of speech. क्लाउज शब्दों का समूह होता है जिसमें हमेशा एक सब्जेक्ट और एक वर्ब होता है और जो पार्ट्स ऑफ स्पीच के जैसे एक्ट करता है उसे हम क्लाउज कहते हैं। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई शॉर्टेड एंड ही रैन अप। इन दिस सेंटेंस, आई शॉर्टेड इज सेपरेटली अ क्लाउज एंड ही रैन अप इज सेपरेटली अ क्लाउज. A clause always contains a subject and a verb. So, in this sentence, I is a subject, shouted is verb. In the other part of sentence, he ran up. In this clause, he subject ran up is a verb. Let's see the next example. You can walk where you like. In this sentence, you can walk is a clause, where you like is also a clause. You is a subject, can is a verb, where you like. In this clause, you is a subject and like is a verb. So we understand that a clause is always contain a subject and a verb. Now the question is type of clause. There are two type of clause. First is independent clause and second is dependent clause. Now, what is dependent clause? It is a complete sentence. It doesn't need any other clause for its meaning. यह क्लाउज अपने आप में एक अर्थपूर्ण वाक्य होता है और यह किसी दूसरे क्लाउज पे डिपेंड नहीं होता है, इसीलिए इसे इंडिपेंडेंट क्लाउज कहा जाता है. लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड विथ एग्जांपल. दिस इज अ पेन. दिस इज a subject and is a verb. This is an example of independent clause because this sentence is not depend on other sentence to clear their meaning. Now let's see the next example. You can play. You is a subject and play is a verb. This is an example of independent clause because it doesn't dependent on other sentence to clear their meaning. Now the next type of clause, dependent clause. It dependent on independent clause to complete its meaning. यह क्लाउज अपने अर्थ को पूरा करने के लिए दूसरे क्लाउज पे निर्भर होता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, which you like. In this sentence, you is the subject and like is a verb and it is depend on other clause. So it is called dependent clause. Next example, wherever you want. In this subject, you is a subject and want is a verb and it's also depend on others. So it is an example of dependent clause. Which I like. Like is a verb and I is subject. It's depend on other sentence to clear their meaning. So these three example of dependent clause. Now we will know about type of dependent clause. There are three type of dependent clause. First is noun clause, second is adjective clause and third is adverb clause. First of all, we know about noun clause. Noun clause, it is used as a noun. यह noun के जैसा प्रयोग किया जाता है, उसे noun clause कहा जाता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, I cannot remember what happened there. In this sentence, what happened there is a noun clause because it is used as a noun. Let's know about well in next example. I cannot remember a thing. A thing is used as a noun in the next sentence. We understand here what happened there is used as a noun. So, what happened there is a noun, and the next sentence, I cannot remember a thing is a noun. Here it is proof that what happened there is a noun clause. Now, next, adjective clause. It is used as an adjective. यह क्लाउज एडजेक्टिव के जैसा यूज किया जाता है, यानी जहाँ एडजेक्टिव का यूज होता है वहाँ इस क्लाउज का यूज किया जा सकता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, द पेन विच हैव रेड कलर इज माइन. विच हैज रेड कलर in this sentence, which is subject, has is a verb, and it behaves, it act like a adjective. Now prove with the second example, the red pen is mine. We can also use which has red color is red. So this sentence is proof that which has red color is behave like an adjective, so it is called adjective clause. Now third and the last, adverb clause. It is used as an adverb. इसका यूज एडवर्ब के जैसा किया जाता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, they rested when the evening came. When the evening came, in this sentence, in this clause, evening is a subject and came is a verb, and it's behave like a adverb. Let's prove with the next example. They rested there. When the evening came, in this place we can also use there, and there is an adverb. So this is an example of adverb clause. I think you will understand very well all type of clause and definition. If you have any queries, then comment. Till then, take care and keep study.